Now, most people really don't understand curly hair. How much do you know about it? Whether it's yours or someone else's? Well, I am making it easy to understand. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. Erica, your curl dresser and curl whisperer here. Let's face it, most people just don't understand. Oh, curly hair. Parents just don't understand. A lot of curlies just really don't understand their own hair. But many of my fellow baby boomers, Gen Xers, and some millennials really don't understand their curly hair. Now, it's not their fault. We knew nothing when we were growing up. And most of us were grown by the time all of this information came around. And some of us, sadly, never found out. Hang with me till the end, my curlies. I'm giving you 5 ways to make sure that your curls look fabulous. Kind of funny to think, but the 1950s to the 2000s seem like the dark ages of curl care now. Yes, our hair is different. It looks and behaves differently. It requires special care. It needs different products, but it is still hair. You know, most of us, myself included, I would leave Act 2 salon and I would look like that poodle whose paw got stuck in a light socket. Most of us looked that way when we left a salon. They did put product in, but it was never enough. In the late 90s, early 2000s, they discovered that curly hair could be described as a delicate fabric, something like silk, chiffon, or lace, because these fabrics need to be handled delicately, gently, soft and gentle. That's what I used to say to my parrots, soft and gentle. So we learned not to scrub our scalp too aggressively. Then we found out that our cuticle doesn't lay closed like on straight hair, and this allows the moisture to escape. So we learned we needed to now add a leave-in conditioner to our hair to keep our hair hydrated so it frizzed less. Then we heard if we didn't seal that moisture in, that our hair was going to frizz, it was going to lose definition, and it was going to go poof in what I used to call the east-west position, where your hair would just grow and grow and grow in the wrong direction. So we learned to add gels to seal everything inside. The problem was not many of us really liked that hard, crunchy gel cast to our hair, but we felt, what choice did we have? There weren't many. Well, then came along smoothing treatments. This was meant to smooth our curls, straighten our curls, tame our curls. The problem was it damaged the hair. So as these curlies were trying to tame their mane, they were causing damage. Some of these curlies started to do blowouts and flat irons, and they still do, because they don't realize that we have so many options now. If you have 3C curls that are fine and weigh down easily, there are products for you. If you have a head of thin 2C waves that are thick and thirsty, there are products for you too. We don't need to live with frizz, lack of definition, or crunchy curls. If anyone doesn't know what type of curls they have, you don't know what products you should be using, hell, you're not even sure how to apply the products once you get them. I offer video consultations one-on-one. This way I can help guide you through the maze of products, information, and give you the right application techniques. This way you have success at styling your own curls. Okay, my curlies, here are the 5 things that you need to know to make sure you understand your curls and what to do with them. Number one, you have heard me say it before, and I will say it again. Curly hair is dry hair. Full stop. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Yes, curly hair is dry hair for all of the reasons that I mentioned in this video. Number two, always shampoo your curls gently. Do not scrub, and always use sulfate-free shampoos. This way, you are not using detergents to strip oils out. Third, our hair needs moisture to not frizz. That extra moisture is either a spray leave-in conditioner or a cream leave-in conditioner or a milk. Even if you have fine hair, your curls still need a leave-in, just a lighter version. Not a butter, not a cream, but a spray. Number four, we must seal in the hydration with styling products that are meant for our delicate fabric. This way, you prevent frizz, you prevent loss of definition, and you prevent the poof factor. And fifth, if you have a cast around your curls, you do not have to leave it like that. All you need to do is decrunchify right there, with an oil that's appropriate for your curl type. This is going to add shine and make your hair less crunchy. If you don't have a cast, you really should still use an appropriate oil for your curls. This way, number one, you're helping to seal the cuticle, and number two, you're adding shine to curls that don't reflect light the same way that straight hair does. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment down below, whether it's a heart, a smiley face, or curls. This pleases YouTube's algorithm so that they'll recommend me to more curlies or maturing women and men. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below too. It is Tuesday at 6 p.m. and I am up to 1,334 subscribers. Thank you, my curlies. The more you share me, the more YouTube's algorithm is happy, and then they will recommend me to more people, and I will show up on more people's feeds. Thank you again for all your support, my curlies. I do appreciate it. So here's to you. Cheers, and ciao for now. Okay, Zeus has treats and a toy. He's got catnip on 2 toys, and we'll see how long it lasts. Oh, please. We don't seal that cuticle with that moisture inside? Stop clapping. Did I? Wait a minute. Hold on, Zeus. Didn't I put that in there? Wait, didn't I? Wait a minute. Yeah. Oh, shit, did you see that? The poor boy. Are you okay? My outfit is an actual complete disconnect. It is Tuesday, 6 p.m. and I am up